Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutoria, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the Galaxy S20 models. Now do the steps carefully, you won't have any issues. Let's start with resetting this device. First thing you want to do is you want to hold the side buttons, which are the power and the volume up key. So you want to hold these two buttons at the same time, press and hold until the device powers on. As soon as the device powers on, you want to release just the power key and keep holding the volume up key. Keep holding until it takes you to the recovery screen. When you get to the screen, what you want to do next, you want to use the volume down key to go down to wipe data reset, then press the power key. Scroll down to factory data reset. Once you press the power key, it will delete everything. Then we're gonna do wipe cache partition. Press the power key again and down to yes. Once you do that, you can go ahead and restart the device. Then it's going to restart the device and everything's basically wiped off the device. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.